Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video you're going to learn how to integrate Google Maps into your booking pages. Start by going to Settings and clicking on Profile Details. Scroll down on the page and you'll see an address field. Simply type in your address and a map with your location will automatically appear on your page. This address becomes your default address across all your pages, meaning it's set globally. If you'd like to set a different address for a specific booking page, like your coaching sessions, head to the Booking Pages section. Click on Products and Services, hit Profile Details again right here on the left sidebar menu, then scroll down to the Address section. You'll have the option to either keep the global settings or turn them off and enter a custom address for that specific page. And that's it. That's how to integrate Google Maps within Book Like a Boss.